You ready to go outside? Colette. She says, I don't want to. It's cold and rainy. Lizette went out. You don't want to go outside? Colette. Please don't make me. Please don't make me, Mom. You're so silly. Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? She says, I'll do anything if I don't have to go outside. Look, I'm sleeping. Look, I'm sleeping. I can't go. She said, I don't want to go out in the rain. You want to go outside? Let's go outside. Say, don't make me, Mom. Say, don't make me. There's my sweet girl. See, I like it here in my bed. There she is. They gotta groom each other all the time. Okay, kids. Well, let's see who wants to go outside. And I don't think Colette wants to go. You don't want to go, Colette? You don't want to go outside, huh? You don't want to go outside, sweet girl. No, don't make me. I'm just going to roll over next, silly. You're going to roll over next, silly. Sending love and hugs, everybody. It's cold and rainy in Texas. Yep. Lizette's going to walk off with her toy. And Colette says, I'm staying right here. Staying in my bed. You want to stay in your bed? Okay. It's too cold to go outside. Don't make me. See, I don't want to. Here's my girl. There's my silly girl. He says, don't make me. Don't make me go outside. Please, Mom. Please don't make me. Please don't make me. Please. She said, it's cold and rainy and I don't want to. Okay, well, you decide. Say bye. Say bye, sending love and hugs. There's my sweet girls. There's Lizette. She'll go. Say Mom's just a little more spoiledy. Mom's a little more bougie. Whatever that is. Say Mom's fancy wancy. Mom wants to stay in the bed. Say bye.